Today was a big day for my babies. Zavir and Ashir finally got their haircut. You all know about Zavir. He had these really long, soft curls. Honestly, so beautiful. But everywhere we go, people always think that he is a girl. I never really minded because his hair was so adorable. But with summer coming, we thought it's time for a fresh haircut. Something lighter, cleaner, and easier to manage. And then comes Ashir, my little baby, just 3 months old. For him, we wanted that traditional first bald haircut. I was honestly a little nervous. He is so small, but I really wanted to get it done safely and properly. So we decided to visit Winged Eagle Barbershop, and I'm so glad that we chose this place. Actually, Fazan was the one who booked the appointment. I even had no idea which kind of barbershop is it, but then I was so satisfied with the services they provided. The moment we walked in, I loved the vibe. The shop has really modern, clean aesthetics. I was scared because we recently came from hospital. I was worried about the environment, how it would be, how they will be taking care of babies of this age. But they were super hygienic and professional, and the atmosphere was so calm, so friendly. So that's really important when you have kids, especially a toddler and a newborn. And the staff, everyone was very professional and polite. No rushing, no pressure, just very respectful and understanding. And the main lady who was actually doing all these haircuts was Ashley. And she was really amazing with Zavir and with the baby. She was so patient. So it was really hard with Zavir because he was scared. He was not sitting properly. He was moving a lot, but she was making him very comfortable, and she worked through all his curls without making him much upset. Ashley handled Zavir very carefully. She used machine very gently and make sure he's very comfortable whole time. She didn't rush at all. Every moment was so controlled, so safe, and so slow. And surprisingly, Ashir stayed so calm. I think babies can sense whenever someone is very gentle, and he was completely relaxed. And honestly, I felt so relieved watching her work because giving a newborn the first haircut, especially a full shave, is not easy. But she made it look effortless. Now let's talk about the results. Zavi's transformation is just wow. From long hair to neat, fresh haircut, he looks so different but still cute, of course. But now he is definitely looking like a boy. And Ashir, my little bald baby now, he looks even more adorable. So I love the result. So I also be showing you in the video inside of the barbershop, their theme, their setup, even their pricing and hours, so you can see everything yourself before visiting. Overall, the services was professional. The environment was really clean, and the most importantly, they were amazing with kids. So if you are in St. John's and looking for a good reliable place, especially if you have little ones, I would definitely recommend Winged Eagle Barbershop. They made my experience with my both of the babies so smooth and stress free. And honestly, for parents, that means everything. And after getting all these things done, we went back to home. We gave them a good bath, and they were feeling so fresh and clean and relaxed. And Ashir had a very good sleep after this haircut and the bath. I am enjoying Zavir's look as well. Like, I know it's entirely different than before, but still, I love the new look of Zavir. I know a lot of you really loved Zavir's long curly hair. These curls were really cute and special, but now with his fresh haircut, he looks so different, more grown up and more like a little boy. So should I let his hair grow again or keep it short like this for now? Please let me know, what do you think? Which look do you like more on him, long curl or his new short haircut? I really want to hear this from you, your opinion about it. So please comment, what do you think? Thank you for watching. Bye.